It's myself, JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed, ZBC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic practical session, study of animals for mimicry. Animal mimicry. Okay. What is mimicry in the biology? When an animal display physical or behavioral traits by copying of different species or their surroundings and incur a survival advantage on account of it is called mimicry. Okay, types of mimicry divide into following types. Firstly, defensive mimicry and non-defensive mimicry. Defensive mimicry, the defense mimicry is especially performed by animals that have loss of predators, so their survival rates depends on avoiding their predators. Okay, and next, second one, non-defensive mimicry. This type is not used for defense but several other purposes. ठीक, okay. Types of defense mimicry. Defensive mimicry divided into following types: Batesians, Mullerians, Mertensians and Basmanian. Firstly, Batesian mimicry. Harmless organism copies the morphological traits like colorations and sounds of some poisonous and venomous organisms in order to deceive the predator by making them think of it is harmful. For example, a non-poisonous king snake uses the aposematic colorations of the poisonous coral snakes to avoid its predators. Okay, next, and Mullerian mimicry. The Mullerian mimicry, two or more types of poisonous and venomous species develop similar appearance in order to get the advantage of protections. In contrast to Batesian mimicry, Mullerian mimicry involves only poisonous and non-poisonous species. Next, third one's Mertensians mimicry. It is very unusual form of mimicry. This type of mimicry helps in lowering the predation rates because a predator eating a deadly species dies, so it will be unable to transmit the information that the prey is harmful, so the predation rate remains high. Okay, next, Basmanian's mimicry. It occurs when the mimic resembles its predators in order to live within the same nest or structures. And next one, non-defensive mimicry. Non-defensive mimicry divided into following types. Firstly, aggressive mimicry. Unlike defensive mimicry, in aggressive mimicry, the predators develops the traits of a harmless or even beneficial species, so they get unnoticed by their prey or hostage, a wolf in sheep's clothing. Next, seconds, automimicry. The automimicry is a special case of mimicry that takes place when an organism transforms some parts of its body in order to seem like another parts of its own body, obtains some benefits from others organisms, or maybe to be unnoticed by their predators or prey. Okay, thank you students.